Wait a second. I'm trying to get Aiden too. Come on, bud.
What?
What is that?
A water gun?
Yeah.
Get off.
And then the stocking is yours. What's in the stocking? What you got, Griff? Griff!
Whoa.
Griffin! What is that?
Cool.
That's a gift card for Shopko, buddy. Look at how much. How much? How much does that say?
$2.55.
2.5, which is 25.
Oh,
Whoa!
nice.
$25, buddy. What do you say?
Thank you.
Say Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Griff, what do you got? Open it up. What's inside? Akis. 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 What's in here? Oh. What is that? What is that? What is that, guy?
Something new for your mouth.
Oh, what is that? He's cute.
What is that guy?
That is cute.
Looks like a little rabbit.
Like I want the camera.
Griff, you got one more, buddy. Look at this one. Oh, what is that?
Can we soak some water out of it and pour it outside?
Griff, right here, buddy.
We might have to wait for when it gets warmer out, bud.
Ooh. Look at Griff. Look at, what is that?
What'd you get, buddy? Look. Oh. Here.
Champ, we got this.
It's a hooded towel. It's
Is it?
cute, yeah.
This
No,
looks
no,
like a pistachio type bread. Apple butter and pumpkin butter.
Smile.
Did you make it?
Can we open this top?
Maybe when it gets dark out.
Yay.
And then